Alright, ready to do a little gluing, a little screwing with the KREG jig.
Doing a little screwing. It's a KREG screw, pocket screw. So it'll suck that one board into the other one with this little hook thing here. Square head, so it's easy.
Just like that, just like that. That's the first guy to slap me on the ass. Happens every day at work. Thanks, Jeff. Alright, now we're going to apply glue and nail this bitch on. Okay. Get it. So we're going to flush the bottom first. Okay, so we're just cutting it rough cuts into thirds.
Rough cuts to thirds.
Alright, what we got here is our material for the doors. So we got 6 pieces here that are 2.5 feet long-ish.
Thirds.
Thirds of an 8-footer. So we're ready to run these through the planer, and we're going to make some doors.
Let's make some dough.
We got our boards routed with a 1/4-inch slot, 3-wing slot cutter. Now we're going to go ahead and cut these door stiles to their proper dimension. Almost fucked up.